Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to change background color on Instagram stories updated guide. So for us to be able to begin, just make sure that you're currently logged in onto your right account. So I'm currently logged in already onto my account here on Instagram, and we'll try to add a story first in here. To add in a story, you could swipe left in here or click onto your story here onto the upper part. So we're gonna offer sliding in here, and for us to be able to go ahead and add in a background color, we're gonna click onto create here onto the upper part or the text icon. From there, you should be able to add in a background color, and you'll have to click onto this bottom right part in here to change the color in here. So you could go ahead and choose which one. For example, if you're already satisfied with this color, just click onto this icon in here to proceed. So note that that step is just limited, but if you want to go ahead and try to choose a color that you like, you'll just have to click onto the three dots in here, click onto draw, and then right after, you'll just need to choose in the color that you want to use. For example, I want to offer brown. So we're going to long press in here onto the screen until the whole screen turns onto the color that you have chosen. Like for example, I want to turn this to green. Let's long press and then it will change just like that. Click onto done. Now if you want to go ahead and add in the photo that you want to add a background color, we're going to go ahead and add in a sticker for that one so that we could add the photo. Click onto this icon in here, click onto photo, and then choose in a photo onto your device to go ahead and add it. So it should go ahead and look something like this. You could tap for more to go ahead and crop this with different shapes. And that is just how easy you could change background color in Instagram stories. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.